Ginger, cilantro, chicken slices with carrots. Our list of ingredients and how I prep them. For this meal, we're going to take our chicken tenders and we're going to slice them into thin strips. We're just going to lay them out, do thin slices, and set them aside. I'm not going to do all these, just to give you an idea. We're all going to take them and cut them in half. I don't want them that long. And in fact, we're going to cut these in half too. They're a little too thick, or wide, I should say. I want small pieces. I don't want to be real thick. I want to be thin, so it matches the rest of what we're doing. Okay, I have everything prepped, ready to go. You can see most of it there on your screen. We'll talk about it a little later. I have a little bit of oil in here just to get some of my ingredients going. In the back, I have a pot for a handful of noodles. I just have a little bit of starch here. I did go ahead and pre-season it with salt. So this here, as soon as it starts up, I'm going to throw in some of my ginger, my garlic, and some of my green peppers. Or not green peppers, what am I thinking about? Green onions. I want to get the flavors moving out of ginger and garlic. So they're going to go in this with a little bit of oil. After that, as I need more fluids, I'll be adding water to it, just so the chicken doesn't dry out. But for right now, we're going to go with this. We're going to take all of our garlic, which I chopped up, put it in. We're going to take our ginger. I got to cut two ways. I sliced it same way I sliced the chicken and the carrots. They're going to go in along with the round pieces. And just to bring out a little bit more flavor, I took the bases of my green onions, chopped them up, and they're going to go in. And I just want to get the flavors going on this. Turn that heat back down some. I had it up to get that oil going. Now some of that's starting to brown on me, which is what I don't want. And that's that garlic that's browning on me. It did that pretty quick. Wasn't expecting that. Okay, I just want to heat that up, get that going a little bit before I start throwing everything else in. We'll let that go for a couple more seconds. Next thing we're going to put in is going to be our chicken. And we'll season that after we put it in. We're not going to pre-season it. This way it helps season everything else that's there, not just the chicken itself. Okay, now that we have that going, I'm going to turn this back up a little bit. Take all of our chicken, just shove it in there. And this is the point where I'm going to start adding some of my spices. I at least want to get this going so it doesn't stick on me. So I'm going to take some of my soy sauce, put it in here. So now if that's going, I'm going to give that a second. I'm going to throw my noodles in. That's all noodles we're going to be using for today. Okay, the only thing I didn't put in yet was the salt, which I probably should before it gets cooked too far. I want to make sure there's enough on it, so I don't want to have to add it later. I'm going to take some cumin powder, sprinkle it on. I'm not worried about this because I'm going to mix it all up. And this here tossing around is going to get the spread out across everything. So I'm going to leave this down on medium to just let that go some. Get all the goodies scraped off my spatula there. Let this go. The next thing I'll be throwing in will be my carrots. Once my carrots are in, the rest of the green onion and the cilantro isn't going to go in until later. The ginger, I'm just going to pick up beside the ginger. It's looking nice. It's starting to cook down pretty good. Same with the strips. The garlic, well, you're not going to see it. There's a little bit of garlic on my spatula. Not much to see with it though. Noodles, they are going. And since they're starting to go, I'm going to go ahead and start putting this in, all my carrots. Try to get them uniform as possible, but it's carrots. And I don't have all day to make it look pretty and perfect. But they're close. There's a couple on here if you want a better shot of what it may look like, my cuts. Let's move that over so I can turn that down. Let's get that going mixed up so it doesn't stick. I'm going to bring that heat down a little bit more till that gets going. All right, that's not going to be much longer. I'm going to go ahead and kick the chicken back up. But I'm going to go back to medium on this. I don't want these carrots to be overcooked. And I know I cut the chicken in strips, but chicken is chicken. It will curl up. It will fall apart pretty easily. But I still do it. At least I get the same size pieces out of it. And that's going to sit for a couple seconds here while I stir these. That's looking pretty good. I'm going to take, you know what? No, I'm not. I'm going to sample a piece here first. I am going to add a little bit more soy sauce to that. Not a lot, as you've seen. My chopped up onion here, I'm going to just throw in first. These aren't going to take long. This is probably more of the garlic along with cilantro, but I'm going to take a little bit of cilantro, put it in. I do like cooking it in, along with just having the flavor there on top of it afterwards. And I'm just going to mix this around while the heat's off, just to let that heat up a little bit, warm up a little bit. I'm going to pull that off in a few seconds. It's going to be done. I think we're pretty set on the seasoning. Yep, we're right on. And you know what? That hasn't warmed up very much, but I'm going to go ahead and toss the rest of it in. I use my hands and getting all over it. Scrape it off. Again, toss this around. Object of this dish is to have the ginger and cilantro taste to everything. The garlic is there for a little extra flavoring. Soy sauce is there for a little extra flavoring. And I'm going to shut this off. You know what? I'm just going to give it no, I'm going to go and shut off. Noodles I'm shutting off. I'm going to drain these. So we are ready to plate. Again, I forgot to get one. So sorry about the noise. We'll put this right here. We'll go ahead and put a little bit of noodles on it. The noodles we will flavor later. Everyone likes them a little bit different. So there's our noodles. Here's our meat and vegetable. And I'm going to mess clean up today after this meal. Here's our finished plate. Hope you like it. Definitely give it a try. It's quick, it's easy. Prep work. Shaking a little bit there. Hold it on the edge. Prep work takes the longest in this one. It usually does for most meals. But there you have it. If you enjoy it, let me know. If not, let me know. Thank you.